I say hello. I'm not going to cut that out either. I'm just goofy today. Hi, everybody. Lorrie here on Vancouver Island. Welcome to my world. I am super excited today. I actually won something in a give. Actually, I didn't win it, but somebody gave it to me. They won. Tiffany at Canadian Family Farm. I think that's the name of her channel. I'll double check and leave a link down there. Actually won this prize, and she has won it before, so she gifted it to me. So thank you, Tiffany. And it's actually from Jennifer Ocean Homestead, who's another fellow Canadian content creator, and I will leave her link down in the comments. And it is seeds. She sent me, oh my gosh, a whole bunch of seeds. Now she's got them wrapped up in a paper. Okay, it's just a piece of paper. Now, the company that she sent these from, this is called Rainbow Seeds. Rainbow Seeds. Rainbow Seeds. Their website is rainbowseeds.ca, and they have all kinds of fantastic stuff there. A lot of heirloom and non-GMO seeds. It looks like all of their seeds are non-GMO, so that is super fantastic. And yeah, so let's see what she sent me. Rainbow Seeds. Remember that, rainbowseeds.ca. If you're in Canada and you want some good seeds, get them from here. Anyway, she sent me some carrot seeds, rainbow blend carrot seeds. And, oh, look at this, Market More cucumber seeds. And since I only have one cucumber that has actually survived so far, I have a spot where I might just throw another one in, and I might even do that today and get that going. These are tomato seeds, Frenchy Giant Pear. Very interesting. I won't grow these until next year. I don't have time to start a tomato now. It wouldn't produce before before the end of my growing season. So this will be one for next year. I'm not cutting anything. I'm not editing this, guys. This is just going up as is. Welcome to my world. Okay, Hungarian yellow sweet pepper seeds. Banana type peppers. So again, these will be for next season. I'm already planning my 2025 garden. Are you? Fabulous. More peppers. What else do we have here? Oh, cabbage. I've been talking about wanting to grow some cabbage, so that's good. I can probably throw a couple of these in this year, maybe like towards the end of September or mid-September when it cools down just a touch. I'll be able to get those going and have some cabbage over the winter. Yay! What else do we have? Oh, mammoth dill. I can probably go ahead and throw some of that in right now. I'll throw it in by my cucumbers. Apparently they do well together, dill and cucumbers. Some onion seeds. Red of Florence round onion seeds. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So I will be able to plant these in the fall, and then they'll come up next spring, and they'll be beautiful and fabulous. And yeah. What else do we have? Oh, some more tall Utah celery seeds. So that's fabulous. One of my favorite celeries because it gets so big and it grows fabulously here. It really does. Dark opal basil seeds. Oh, so this will be fun. This is a purple basil. I don't know that I have any purple basil. And I love growing all kinds of basil. I usually have 3 or 4 types going in the garden. Only 2 this year, but I might throw this in. It should still have time to grow and all that stuff. My gosh, she sent me so many seeds. Thank you so much, Jennifer. Oh, black brandywine tomato seeds. So I have some red brandywines out in the garden growing this year, and it was the last of my brandywine seeds. So this will be nice. I haven't tried the black brandywine. I gotta say, I wasn't super impressed with the red brandywines, but because they seem just kind of blah. I don't know. Maybe the ones I grow this year will be better than last year's. We'll see. Some holy basil. I love holy basil. This will get planted this year too. I'll throw some of that out there. I might just put it into a pot and go from there. But yes, love holy basil. Super good for you. Southport White Globe bunching onions. Okay, I might be able to plant a few of these this year too. At least one bunch. Tabby's yelling at me because I'm talking to you. She doesn't like that. And last but not least, oh, lovely. Florence fennel seeds. So I haven't had any luck growing fennel. So I will be trying these. She says she packed quite a bit because it has a lower germination rate. So we'll see. I might go ahead and plant some of these inside and see if I can get them to grow inside. And I'll plant a couple outside this year and we'll see what happens. And we'll go from there. There's lots of seeds in there, so I have lots of time to experiment. So, yay for Jennifer Ocean Homestead for sending me all those fabulous seeds, and yay for Survival Seeds 2024. What a fantastic collaboration. If you guys don't know, the last Sunday of every month, they have a great big giveaway where they give away all kinds of merchandise and seeds and t-shirts and garden equipment and just all kinds of fantastic stuff. And I actually donate a prize every month. I haven't decided what I'm going to donate yet this month, but I donate a piece of my art, just one piece. I think until the end. I think in October I'm going to do 2 pieces of my art, a set. I think a clock and a trivet is going to be then. But for this month, I don't know. Keep watch, and I'll let you know what I've decided to throw into the giveaway bat for this month. Yeah, and that will be on the 28th, the last Sunday of July. Tabby is still, I don't know if you guys can hear her. I don't know if the mic picks her up or not, but she is there. She is crying for me. Here, let me pick her up. She can say hi. Come on. There you go. Say hello to the camera. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. You're so silly. Anyway, guys, thanks for coming and hanging out with me for this quick mail call. Enjoy the bloopers that I'm leaving in because I'm not going to edit this other than throwing my intro and my outgo onto it. That's going to be it. It's going to go up as is. I appreciate you every single time you come and hang out with me. And I hope that you take good care of yourself. I will see you soon. Bye now.